So things are getting better with the modern tech, and the Mobile World Congress is all about that. We just saw some technologies like the 5G experience, ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, and the super expensive foldable smartphone. But there are some more technological advancements that belongs to Sony Xperia 1, aka Xperia XZ4, obviously a successor to the Xperia XZ3. So yeah, a new name with new features, and to make it easy, a complete new series. In this video, we'll take a look at the top 5 features of the Xperia 1, a device that makes sense in almost every aspect. Sony is always known for their display tech, and with this phone, they have accomplished something really new. The Xperia 1 comes with a super accurate 4K HDR OLED panel that measures in at 6.5 inches. This type of display has never entered production line for a smartphone, but with this particular phone, Sony translated impossible into I am possible. The thing that makes it more interesting is an all-new 21:9 aspect ratio design, which again sports a slim bezel design so that you can watch a full screen video without even cropping it. And more importantly, there's no type of content blocking, which we actually get with a hole and a notch. There's a 12 megapixel triple camera implementation at the back of this phone that accommodates a wide lens with f1.6 aperture, telephoto lens with f2.4 aperture, and a comparable ultra-wide lens with again f2.4 aperture. Also, you get optical image stabilization and electronic image stabilization to make it more stable, as the ultra-wide lens doesn't come with OIS. This camera can record 4K HDR videos at 24 frames per second so that you can capture like a pro. Interestingly, the phone uses Bionic for mobile, which improves processing like the company's high-end digital cameras, and more importantly, the eye autofocus that allows you to snap up to 10 frames per second with subject-based eye tracking, again first time for a phone. At the front, we have an 8 megapixel camera that do take great selfies. The Xperia 1 runs on the Snapdragon 855 chipset coupled with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, and it should be sufficient for you as it also supports SD card. Also, the Snapdragon 855 doesn't compromise with speed or software of this phone, but yeah, you have a small 3300 mAh battery, which is not that great, at least for the 4K display. The Xperia 1 will come out sometime in late spring. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.